Oh yeah, another guy playing super mechanic. This is supposed to be in a hole inside of this block that keeps the rear from sliding apart. That is your alignment pin. Here's another guy that shouldn't be a fucking mechanic. Or he shouldn't be fixing cars. I guarantee you he did this in his driveway.
Why is there wires just
He's
hanging?
gonna hit the gas and the rear axle is gonna fly the fuck out of this thing.
Why is there wires hanging right there?
Because that's how they were hanging up their previous exhaust system. That's a no-no. I'm gonna start how to install leaf springs for dummies.